Jump. You jump like Joey? Jump. Jump, Elia.
Can you jump? Elia.
Can you jump like Joey? Jump. Oh, you're such a good jumper. Can you say hi? Look at me. Hey, Elia.
You're going to have to jump really far and really fast to get there in time.
Yeah.
But don't worry, you won't be alone. I'm going to help you get there.
Can you say hi, Grandma? Who's that? Yeah. Who's this? Elia, who's this?
That's great.
Jade?
Told you she doesn't look big.
Yeah. That's my little boy.
Yeah. Can you catch the ball?
All right, good job.
Ooh! Throw it to Jakey.
Here.
Can you catch it?
Can you catch it? Ooh.
Oh, good job. We're kind of crazy tonight.
Oh, this is over. Hey, can you catch the ball? Catch it. Catch. Woo.
Pat, pat.
Raise your arms as high as you can and say the last star.
You dance?
Careful.
You dance?
It is trying to jump like Joey. He's using his pogo bouncer. Let's help Rocket jump like Joey. Clap the beat with me.
Can you clap? Can you say I love you, Elia? Elia, I love you.
Jump like Joey. Beat. Jump, Joey, go. Jump to the talent show. Jump, Joey, go. Jump, Joey, jump.
Elia,
Noise. It sounds like another animal.
Elia, I love you. Oh,
June, use your binoculars. What animal is it?
what is that?
Say mommy.
Yes, that's a koala bear.
Can you say koala?
And she's sleeping. Oh no.
Can you say koala?
Going to sleep since the animal talent show. Look, Joey wants to jump up to the koala bear and wake her up. The koala bear is sleeping high in that tree. How is Joey going to jump all the way up there? Maybe we can help. We can conduct the jumping music to get louder and louder. Crescendo!
Can you conduct?
Joey do a super jump.
Can you make it get louder and louder?
She makes things get loud.
With me? Great! Okay, Joey, get ready. Now let's conduct a crescendo. Put your hands
Elia.
like me.
Elia.
Slowly lift
Elia.
and say,
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
I love you too.